way back from Highlands, North Carolina, guys, driving back roads. I came through this here, and man, we counted about 70 trees that they had to cut away from the road. It was a hot mess. Took us 5 hours to get up from the airport. They were cutting trees out in front of us, and we were just trying to get through. Had to sit and wait. It was an experience. Now I'm on my way back. War Woman Road, Highland, Satula, North Carolina. Love these roads though. Remind me of Jamaica. Curvy. Look at this, guys. Big old tree root out. Drop across the road and broke up all the wire them. Catching this? Anybody grateful? Anybody grateful? The devil is alive. Reconnaissance. Yeah. Big old tree. The devil is a liar. Yeah. Boy, this power, the electricity around here, it's gonna take him forever to get it back up. Pole broke, wire down. It's a hot mess. Thanks to Helene. What's your name? Helene. Look at this. Wire, wire, tree down by the root. One of these corners when we were coming up, there were some wires just hanging down, and if you come around that corner, look like you can just get snatched up in it. That's what I'm looking out for right now, because I don't remember exactly where it was. Coming down, there was a tractor trailer on the hill, and they just told him, you gotta just stay right there, don't move, because you won't get through. They just cut the trees enough to get one lane by, and some of them is on corners, you know. So a tractor, an 18-wheeler tractor trailer will not get through this pass here. Look at this, the trees fell on the electrical wire, and that's what's holding it up. Nine more miles unwinding. Look at this. Another one. If this decide for pop, poor Jesus. The devastation of Helene. Helena. However you say it. Reconnaissance team. Oh, I see red lights up ahead. These people, no electricity for a while. No electricity for a long time around here. Sayers Creek. I think a tornado came through this little area right here. This area had the most down trees in the whole drive up from Atlanta. Yeah, I think this is the corner where that wire might be just hanging. See? Can you see that? Looping across the road. Looping across the road. I hope these guys have a generator, y'all. Because they won't have no power. Now the main road that I normally take, a bridge got washed out, they said, so they told me to drive this way. Nice drive, man. I saw the cutest waterfall up there, but it's on a gradient coming down, so I couldn't I couldn't stop because I had people behind me. But that water is just gushing from the mountaintop. Old rock. Look, that light pole over there snapped. And we're stuck again, guys. Let's see what's happening up here. Hear them cutting trees? I wonder if it's another tree that fell down since I came up. It's possible. Oh, they taking down that big tree that fell down in their yard. Thank God, man, on my property, on the farm, there is no tree that fell down. Zero. That's a good day. We didn't lose power. I slept with the TV on last night, watching the storm come through. Woke up with it on. Yep. I was glad to see. Drive and go down and drive and go down and drive and go down and stop. Paparazzi. They finished cutting their tree down. I guess they're going to help. The mountain is snowing. All right, we're moving again. On the road again. Let's see how far we're gonna go this time. The sights and sound of Highlands, North Carolina. It's always good to see traffic coming this way. Oh, I guess they cleared out this tree right here. Devastation, guys. Devastation. Trees down. All the power lines are down here. What a mess. We were coming up this evening, or this morning when we left Atlanta, and my client said, "You might have to just drive me part way." I say, "Nah, we're gonna take you all the way." And we finally did, guys. Interesting drive. Praying for strength for all the first responders, all the guys that cut the trees out and cleared a path for us to do what we do, take people home safely, right? Bless up to all the first responders. Bless up, bless up. Smoky Mountains. It's not. That's the Georgia Mountains. Down trees. This pole make a 45 degree. Nothing on it. This big guy took everything down. Now these power trucks here, they have a chainsaw on it. Oh my God. Sharp, tiny and sharp. Landslide. Drop me a like, guys. Drop me a like. If it's your first time, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Make sure you comment, all right? Drop a comment. I'll answer you. It's a pretty drive. I like it. Scary though. When this wind start blowing up here, it's like you don't know if any more of these trees gonna fall down, right? And if you ever see how it bent the guardrails, imagine what it would do if it fall in a vehicle like this. Yep. Not good. Not good at all. Look at this big tree right here. Big tree. Boom. Didn't take out any electrical wire there though. It dropped like on the road. Not across the road. So when we were coming up, the people, the first responders, they were ahead of us on a tractor trailer. They had a Bobcat and they had some flatbed trucks. They had their chainsaws and everything. It was just neat. I was like, okay, you guys stay in front and we'll stay behind you all the way. We know we'll make it then, right? But they stopped and traffic was coming from the opposite way, so we knew everything was clear. Fun drive through the mountains, guys. Thank you for riding along with me. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and you will see the destruction of Helene. Helena. Helene. Hell. Helena. Something like that. Helene, 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 Helene. They could have made an easier name. All right, Bridget. They have power right here. That's good. we're back in Clayton, Georgia. Not Clayton County, but Clayton. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for driving along with me for this past 28 minutes. Share it with a friend. And I think we're on War Woman Road. War, W-A-R, Woman Road. Turns off in Clayton and it goes all the way up to Highlands, North Carolina. So we're coming back out on the main drag that will take us into Atlanta, 985. Alrighty, we're gonna check out now. You guys have a lovely evening. Continue to be safe. All right, we out. Peace.